how to deposit money in Remitly. So here's what you want to do. Open up the Remitly app, and once you have the app open, it's going to look like this. Choose the region which you will send money to and click on send here at the middle. Now it's going to ask you for the amount, so we'll just do $10 like so, and it's going to convert it to the currency which you will be sending. Okay, so the delivery method, you can choose how the recipient is going to receive it, and here comes the depositing money part. Payment method, select payment method. You can use debit card, credit card, Apple Pay, or bank account. So let's say that we want to deposit money using our debit card. You click on debit card, it's going to calculate the fee here, and you will click on continue. Okay, and let's just do Gcash for the recipient. You will click on continue. Okay, so afterwards you will need to go through the prompts, fill out the recipient's information, and then it's going to take you to the page where you will have to input your credit card or debit card number in this case, and it's just going to take the money from your debit card, and you don't have to deposit money before actually making the transaction, but the transaction itself is going to withdraw money from your debit card in this case. So I hope this helps, hope this answers your question. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.